What I want to do today is, if you look down here, this silver thing is off the bottom of our cooker, and that is the fridge door. And what I want to do is make the fridge door look the same as this. So I'm going to go to a scrap metal place and see if we can get some of this exactly the same size as that. But what I have to do first is take this off. But they've got them buggering little screws in. Ones that you need one of these for. So let's take it off. Sign of getting old. So there's 3 of them little screws. And put them somewhere safe. I always put things somewhere safe and then lose them. So today's safe place is this top pocket. That way, if I can't remember where the safe place is, I refer back to the video. Now that should just come off, like so. And in theory, this should come out. And it does. In fact, I'm going to put the screws back in here and the safe place will be back where they belong. I'll catch up with you when I have a piece of metal the same size as this ready to slide back in. So that's the size I want, which is 735mm by 465mm, and I found this on eBay, which is 750 by 500, so it's just a little tiny bit bigger than what I need, and it looks like it's fine, and that's £27.60, and it's also free delivery. So I ordered the stainless steel and now it's arrived. And there we go. And there's the old piece from the fridge door. And I'm going to replace it with this. It needs cutting to size, because as you can see, it's a little bit bigger. So that's what we're going to do, cut it to size now and then put it back on the fridge door. Okay, first part is I'm going to use the old piece of fridge covering as a template to cut this stainless steel. So I'm just going to use my mould grips to clamp it down to hold it in position while I go around it with a pen. So this is what we need to cut off and across this line. Well, it's back to the drawing board with this, because maybe I'm using the wrong blade, but it's just not working. I've cut a little tiny bit, but it's just not working. Well, I've been finding it very difficult to cut this piece of stainless steel with a jigsaw, and I had no other option but to give Amos a call, tell him that I was having difficulty. He's just said to me, bring it over to the workshop, I will stick it on the guillotine and do it for you. So if you don't have the right tools, it can be a problem. Luckily, I know somebody who can do it for me.
How do?
Bloody hell, simple as that?
Yeah. I know your drawing's a bit wavy, but this will cut it dead straight. Bang on. Easy.
And that's that. Done. Thanks, Amos.
Easy. No problem.
Right, it's finally cut. It was a couple of months ago that I took all of this apart and attempted to change it, and it took me all that time to get this piece. And now it's finally cut, so I'm going to put it back on. First of all, I'm just going to remove this film. Ouch! Be careful of the edges. Cut myself. Lovely. Just some safety advice when handling this stainless steel. Cut there, wear some protective gloves. And now to put it back in the door, and let's hope it fits. That was the piece that I took out. So I didn't lose the screws at the time, I just put them back in. To take the bottom section off this door, it's not normal screws, it's one of those star-shaped screw things. I'll just show you. Most people don't have those. Luckily, when I first started this project, I bought this JCB little pack for about 15 quid. It's got lots of extra little bits and pieces in that I've never had before, so I'm glad I bought that. And there's just 3 screws on the top. Or should I say the bottom? Because it's upside down. And that just pops off. Okay, now the test. Does it go inside? Which is the side that I had the film on. Ow, I've done it again. Like I said, be careful of this, it's bloody sharp. Right, let's put it inside. Wow. I'll just put it all back together and see what it looks like. And the door goes on quite easily. It's just this piece here which fits into this piece here, and then at the bottom is this thing which just goes back on the bottom here. So we just slot it in. And then just reattach this on the bottom. And there we go. It's done. That looks bloody brill. I'll take it outside so we can see it better. So there we go, it's done. And I'm quite proud of that. There it is next to the cooker. So it matches very well. You can't really see in this light because this thing's in front of reflecting off it, but it's a really good match, and it'll be the same level because this goes at the bottom of the cooker and it's raised up, so they'll both be the same level. But as you can see, it's exactly the same. Thanks for watching, see you again next time. Cheerio!